Here we have a 71 plate Mercedes-Benz GLC 220D 4MATIC AMG line Premium Plus. Now this vehicle comes with the 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all of which in excellent condition and unmarked. We do also have the polar white metallic paintwork, LED headlights, we have the Pan America front grille with black Mercedes badge in the centre. Round to the passenger side, you'll find the side steps running along the bottom, making it easier to get in and out of the vehicle. We then have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, with the privacy glass at the rear. Up top you'll find the glass sunroof. It's currently on a tilt, but can also slide all the way open. We also have the 360-degree cameras with front and rear parking sensors. We then have the rear diffuser at the back along with the power operated tailgate. Press the button on the remote and you'll find the boot will open just like so. Now inside of here you'll find we have plenty of space whatever you may need. Taking a closer look you'll find the storage net just there on the right. We also have hooks as well inside of here. Parcel shelf at the top. And coming back out we also have a handle on the right along with the button to close the boot. Making our way back round to the driver's side, you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look then at the interior, in the back you've got the leather seats, foldable armrests in the centre and fixed ISO points as well back here. Vents with the climate control in the centre. You'll then find the Bermster speakers along with the wooden effect trim and electric windows on the doors. At the front, same leather seats, both front seats being heated. They're also electrically adjustable as well with the memory functions all controlled here on the doors. Again, Bermster speakers, wooden effect trim, electric windows with child lock for the rear and electric mirrors. Automatic lights down here. We then have the multifunctional steering wheel. There's a look at the roof as well from the inside. Take a seat inside, you find the digital dashboard just here. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button and the vehicle will start up. I'll just make sure the volume is turned down. You'll then find we have the phone connectivity buttons as well on the left. Paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel, cruise control and speed limiter on the right. Digital dashboard is free from any warning lights if the camera will focus. You can see just there. We also have plenty of different features which we can scroll through on the dashboard. You can also change the design. It's currently on Sport, go to Classic and you'll find it will change. You then have the main infotainment screen. Plenty of features on here you would have seen on the photos. It's currently showing the sat nav, but we do have the shortcut buttons along with the touchpad down here. So if you click onto radio, you'll find the radio stations. We have then the media options, Bluetooth phone connectivity for phone calls. Onto the main menu, we can scroll through the other features quickly. So if you go onto comfort, you'll find the ambient lighting, where there's plenty of different colours which you can choose from just here. We also have the other features which we can scroll through. If you go over to the apps, you'll find the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Further down we have the vents. We then have the dual zone climate control and the ice cold air conditioning, all working as it should do. Inside of here we have the cup holders along with the wireless phone charging, a Type-C USB port. You can close that just like so. Switch just here as well for the different drive modes. So you find Eco, Comfort, Sport and also Individual. Put it back into Comfort and putting the car into reverse. You then find the reversing camera along with a 360 view on the right. But we can go through each individual camera. As you can see, all the camera angles work just as you would expect. So back into Park, and that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this Mercedes-Benz GLC 220D Premium Plus. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. As you can see, I'm going to fire the stereo to keep it in a straight line, now made off to the left or to the right hand side, staying straight and true. Now we're doing the multifunctional steering wheel in front of us, which has the paddle shifters either side. If you want to set the car into manual mode, you can simply tap one of the paddles to change gear. We also have phone connectivity and volume buttons here on the left hand side, along with the speed limiter and the cruise control on the right. Digital dashboard as well in front of us, which can show different features and displays that you would have seen in the walk around video and photos. If you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we do have the leather seats as well for the vehicle, which are really comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings. Now we do also have many more features throughout the interior. We have the glass sunroof just up there, wooden effect strip here in the centre and also across the doors. Really makes the interior a nice place to be. We have the premium MERCEDES sound system, which really does sound incredible. Mainly for table screen in the centre, plenty of features on there. Again, you can see it on the photos. Automatic gearbox as well. Now we are about to take a right hand turn, so we've got our right indicator on. Slow it down to wait for these cars to go past before we can make the right hand turn onto an industrial park. So we do also have the automatic gearbox, really smooth going through the gears, along with having the different drive modes as well. Turning right onto the industrial park, and I will perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1. Hard onto the brakes, put the car into reverse camera with the 360 view, into drive, and then change to the front facing camera with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.